Greetings survivalists and gadgets enthusiasts. In this video, we'll explore essential survival gear that can turn the tide in critical moments. Gear designed to keep you prepared, resilient, and ready for anything. Without further ado, let's get started. When you're out in the wild and need a tool that combines both strength and versatility, the Gerber Gear StrongArm becomes your most trusted companion. Designed for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts who demand reliability in extreme conditions, this full-tang fixed blade is a testament to thoughtful engineering. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel with a durable ceramic coating, the StrongArm resists corrosion and maintains a razor-sharp edge through challenging environments. Its ergonomic rubber handle provides exceptional grip, ensuring control whether you're navigating dense wilderness or handling critical survival scenarios. Measuring 9.75 inches in total length with a 4.8-inch blade, the knife strikes a perfect balance between compact design and robust performance. The mole-compatible sheath offers versatile carrying options, making the StrongArm adaptable to military, survival, and outdoor applications. When reliable fire means more than just comfort, the UCO Stormproof Match Kit becomes a critical outdoor essential. Engineered to light in extreme conditions, these matches burn for up to 15 seconds, even when wet, windy, or submerged. The compact waterproof case houses 25 windproof matches and 3 strikers, providing a reliable fire-starting solution for hikers, campers, and emergency preppers. Each match is designed with a special chemical coating that allows it to continue burning even in challenging environments, making them substantially more dependable than standard matches. With a bright orange exterior for easy visibility and a robust design that withstands rough handling, the UCO Stormproof Match Kit offers peace of mind when traditional fire-starting methods might fail. Miles from nowhere with an empty water bottle, the LifeStraw personal water filter turns wilderness challenges into simple solutions. This compact, lightweight filtration device transforms potentially contaminated water sources into safe, drinkable water with remarkable efficiency. Weighing just 2 ounces, the LifeStraw can filter up to 1,000 gallons of water, removing 99.9% of waterborne bacteria, waterborne protozoan parasites, and reducing turbidity by filtering to 0.2 microns. Its ingenious design allows users to drink directly from streams, lakes, or questionable water sources by simply sucking through the straw, with no batteries, electrical power, or moving parts required. Perfect for hikers, emergency preppers, travelers in remote regions, and outdoor enthusiasts, the LifeStraw provides peace of mind in environments where clean water is uncertain. Off the grid or short on sunlight, the GOSUN Sporty Hybrid Solar Oven adapts to your outdoor cooking needs. This innovative portable cooker combines solar power with electric charging, ensuring you can prepare hot meals in virtually any condition. Weighing about 10 pounds and collapsing to a slim 12-inch tube, the Sporty reaches temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit using solar energy or its integrated electric backup. Its unique evacuated tube design traps heat effectively, allowing users to bake, roast, and steam foods in diverse environments from mountain trails to shaded campsites. The built-in rechargeable battery provides additional flexibility, enabling cooking even during cloudy days or after sunset. Made with high-grade stainless steel and durable borosilicate glass, the oven works in temperatures from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Between you and a soaking wet night, the ProFly rain tarp stands as a simple yet effective shield. Crafted by Eagle's Nest Outfitters, this lightweight, versatile tarp offers reliable coverage for hammock campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Measuring 10 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 4 inches, the ProFly is constructed from silicone-treated, lightweight 70D nylon ripstop fabric that effectively repels water while remaining incredibly packable. Its intelligent design features multiple attachment points and reinforced corners, allowing for flexible setup configurations in various terrains and weather conditions. Weighing just 22 ounces, the tarp compresses into a compact stuff sack that easily fits in a backpack, making it an ideal solution for minimalist backpackers and hikers. Quick to deploy and engineered for durability, the ProFly transforms any hammock camping experience from vulnerable to well-protected. When your survival depends on adaptability, the Gerber Gear Armbar series serves as your go-to compact emergency tool. Available in several configurations like Drive, Trade, and Scout, These multi-tools blend practical functionality with lightweight design. Constructed with durable stainless steel and featuring a unique fold-out design, each armbar model weighs under 5 ounces and fits comfortably in a pocket or pack. The series offers targeted tools for specific needs. The drive includes a bit driver and wrench. The Trade targets practical utility with a hammerhead and pry bar. And the Scout provides essential outdoor-focused tools. A signature drop-point blade with smooth opening mechanism ensures quick access, while integrated tools like scissors, files, and bottle openers provide solutions for emergency scenarios. When personal safety demands a non-lethal defense option, the Byrna SD Pepper Ultimate Bundle offers a comprehensive self-protection solution. This advanced personal defense kit combines a CO2-powered launcher with kinetic and pepper projectiles, providing multiple layers of deterrence. The compact, lightweight launcher fires .68 caliber projectiles up to 60 feet, allowing users to create distance from potential threats. The Ultimate Bundle includes both kinetic impact rounds that cause temporary pain and pepper projectiles that create a 12-foot cloud of irritant, temporarily incapacitating an aggressor. Weighing just over a pound and designed for easy concealment, the Byrna ASD meets legal self-defense requirements in most jurisdictions where firearms are restricted. The NEMO Helio Pressure Shower offers an innovative solution for outdoor cleaning and personal hygiene. Using a foot pump to create consistent water pressure without batteries or electricity, this portable shower delivers a reliable stream of water for cleaning gear, rinsing off after outdoor activities, or maintaining personal cleanliness in remote locations. With an 11-liter capacity, the Helio provides approximately 5 to 7 minutes of steady water flow, featuring a convenient 7-foot hose and a spray nozzle that allows for precise water control. Constructed from durable, UV-resistant materials, the shower weighs just 1.3 pounds when empty and packs down compactly into its own carry bag. The dark exterior helps warm water through solar heating, while the wide base provides stability during use. When survival margins narrow, the SOL Escape Bivvy becomes a critical layer of protection. Designed as an ultralight emergency shelter, this compact sleeping bag alternative offers surprising thermal efficiency in challenging environments. Constructed from SOL's proprietary Escape fabric, the Bivvy reflects up to 70% of radiated body heat while remaining breathable and water-resistant. Weighing just 8.5 ounces and compressing to the size of a soda can, it provides emergency warmth without bulk, making it ideal for backpackers, wilderness travelers, and emergency preparedness kits. The bright orange exterior enhances visibility for rescue scenarios, while the interior silver lining maximizes heat retention. Sized to fit most adults and featuring sealed seams for wind and moisture protection, the SOL Escape Bivvy bridges the gap between minimal emergency gear and life-saving insulation. Precision engineering meets hunting technology in the Ravin R29X crossbow, designed for serious hunters seeking unparalleled accuracy and performance. This compact powerhouse measures just 6 inches axle to axle when cocked, making it remarkably maneuverable in tight hunting blinds and dense woodland settings. Capable of firing arrows at an impressive 450 feet per second, the R29X delivers devastating kinetic energy with exceptional accuracy. Its advanced helicoil technology ensures perfect arrow rotation and alignment, while the integrated track trigger firing system provides a smooth, consistent release. The crossbow weighs only 6.75 pounds and features a fully enclosed rail design that protects the arrow and enhances safety. With a draw weight of 12 pounds and a power stroke of 12 inches, the R29X offers you a combination of stealth, power, and precision. The Fenix PD36R Pro represents a pinnacle of portable illumination for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts demanding high-performance lighting. This tactical rechargeable flashlight delivers an impressive maximum output of 2,800 lumens with a beam distance reaching up to 366 meters, powered by a high-capacity 5,000 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery. Constructed from durable aerospace-grade aluminum with a military-grade Type 3 hard anodized finish, the PD36R Pro withstands extreme conditions and impacts. Its intelligent battery management system provides multiple brightness levels, including a low 30 lumen mode for extended runtime and a turbo 2800 lumen mode for maximum visibility. The light features 6 versatile output modes, a momentary on function, and is waterproof to IPX8 standards. ensuring operation in heavy rain or temporary submersion. When unexpected emergencies disrupt normal food supply, the Mountain House Emergency Food Supply offers a reliable nutrition solution. It provides freeze-dried meals designed for long-term storage and quick preparation, with a remarkable 30-year shelf life. Packaged in durable, climate-controlled pouches, the meals include diverse options like beef stroganoff, chicken teriyaki, and scrambled eggs with bacon, ensuring nutritional variety during challenging situations. Each meal requires only hot water for preparation, making them ideal for emergency preparedness, camping, and disaster recovery scenarios. The lightweight, compact packaging allows for easy storage in home emergency kits, vehicle emergency supplies, or bug-out bags. Nutritionally balanced and engineered to maintain flavor and texture, these meals provide essential calories and nutrients when traditional food sources are unavailable. When medical emergencies strike in remote or challenging environments, the Surviveware Survival First Aid Kit stands ready as a comprehensive emergency response solution. Meticulously designed to address a wide range of medical needs, this kit contains 250 essential survival medical supplies organized in a water-resistant, rugged 600D polyester case with labeled, color-coded compartments for rapid access during critical moments. The compact kit weighs just 2 pounds, but includes everything from advanced wound care materials to emergency blankets, trauma pads, and multiple types of bandages. Uniquely engineered with a labeled tear-resistant inner organization system, the kit ensures first responders and outdoor enthusiasts can quickly locate specific medical items under stress. Each component is carefully selected to address potential injuries in wilderness, camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness scenarios. With additional features like a lifetime warranty and waterproof design, the Surviveware kit provides peace of mind for anyone venturing into unpredictable environments. When portable power meets solar efficiency, the Jackery SolarSaga delivers reliable off-grid charging for adventures and emergency preparedness. This monocrystalline solar panel provides up to 100 watts of power, compatible with Jackery portable power stations, and capable of charging multiple devices simultaneously. Weighing just about 10 pounds, the panel features a lightweight, foldable design with integrated handles for easy transportation and quick setup. Its advanced solar cells convert up to 23% of sunlight into electrical energy, significantly higher than traditional solar panels. Multiple mounting points and adjustable kickstands allow optimal angle positioning for maximum sun exposure. The panel includes USB-C and USB-A outputs for direct device charging, with a water-resistant design that withstands light rain and outdoor conditions. The SOG PowerAccess Deluxe multi-tool delivers a comprehensive solution for everyday challenges. This robust tool features 20 integrated functions, including pliers, wire cutters, knife blade, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, bottle opener, can opener, and multiple specialized implements. Constructed from durable stainless steel with a sleek black oxide finish, the PowerAccess Deluxe weighs just 9.4 ounces and measures 4.75 inches when closed. Its innovative quick access design allows individual tools to be deployed without fully opening the multi-tool, enhancing convenience and efficiency. The integrated locking mechanism ensures safety during use, while the included nylon belt sheath provides convenient carry options for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. Each tool is precision engineered with spring-loaded handles for smooth operation and comfortable grip, making it equally useful for technical repairs, outdoor maintenance, and unexpected everyday tasks. Beyond the reach of cell towers, the Garmin inReach Mini 2 becomes a critical communication lifeline for adventurers and outdoor professionals. This compact satellite communication device allows two-way messaging, location sharing, and emergency SOS services in remote environments worldwide. Weighing just 3.5 ounces, the inReach Mini 2 connects to the Iridium satellite network, providing global coverage across all continents, oceans, and polar regions. Its rugged design meets military standard 810G for thermal, shock, and water resistance, ensuring reliability in extreme conditions. The device offers up to 14 days of battery life in tracking mode, with customizable tracking intervals and breadcrumb navigation. Integrated GPS provides location precision, while the companion Garmin Explore mobile app allows message management and trip planning. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more video like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future video. Also, feel free to check out the link in the description for all the gadgets we talk about. Stay safe, and I will see you next time.